What if humans never discovered fire? Imagine you're walking through a forest. 200,000 years ago, the sun is setting. As darkness spreads across the landscape, the sounds begin to change. Birds disappear, predators wake up, the temperature drops, and, for a young hunter named Koa, the day is over. Not because he's tired, because the night is too dangerous. Today that sounds strange. When the sun goes down, we turn on lights. We cook dinner, we watch movies, we keep living our lives, but for most of human history, sunset meant something very different. It meant survival, and all of that changed because of one discovery: fire. Most people think of fire as a tool, but that's not really what it was. The wheel was a tool. A spear was a tool. Fire was something much bigger. It changed the way humans ate, the way they thought, the places they could live, and possibly whether our species survived at all. To understand why, let's go back to Koa. Like every member of his tribe, Koa spends most of his day searching for food. Whatever he finds must be eaten raw: roots, nuts, berries, occasionally meat. Finding food is difficult. Eating it is difficult. Digesting it is difficult. In fact, scientists believe early humans spent an enormous portion of their lives simply processing food. It was a lifestyle built entirely around getting enough energy to survive. Then imagine something unusual happens. A lightning strike ignites a tree in the distance. For a moment, the forest glows orange. Animals scatter. The tribe backs away, but Koa watches, and in that moment, humanity stands at a crossroads. Because what happens next would influence every generation that follows. Once humans learned to control fire, food changed forever. Cooking unlocked more energy from the same meal. The body no longer had to work as hard extracting nutrients. Over thousands of generations, that extra energy helped support larger and more complex brains. In a very real sense, fire helped fuel the evolution of human intelligence. But perhaps even more important was what happened after dinner. For the first time, darkness was no longer the end of the day. People gathered around a flame. They talked, shared experiences, passed on knowledge, told stories. Nobody knows what those first conversations sounded like. But around those fires, something remarkable was happening. Human knowledge was becoming collective. One person's discovery no longer died with them. It could be shared, remembered, improved, and passed forward. That process would eventually lead to language, culture, and civilization itself. Fire also allowed humans to move into environments that would otherwise be impossible to survive. Cold regions that once acted as barriers became new opportunities. Over time, humans spread across continents, adapting to landscapes that would have been deadly without warmth and cooked food. Now imagine a world where that never happened. Not a world without technology. A world where humanity never gets the chance to build it. Where every generation remains locked in the same daily struggle for survival. Progress slows. Population remains small. The exchange of knowledge becomes limited. Human history follows a very different path. And then comes one of the greatest tests our species ever faced. Around 70,000 years ago, the Toba supervolcano erupted. The effects were felt across much of the planet. Temperatures dropped. Ecosystems changed. Food became scarce. Humans survived this period by a surprisingly narrow margin. It's impossible to know exactly what role fire played, but it's difficult to imagine our ancestors enduring such challenges without warmth, shelter, and the ability to cook whatever food remained available. Which brings us back to the present. Every light in a city, every piece of metal in a skyscraper, every engine, every factory, every modern technology, all exist because of a chain of discoveries stretching back hundreds of thousands of years. And near the beginning of that chain stands a simple flame. A force so familiar that we rarely think about it. Yet without it, human history might have been unrecognizable. Perhaps that's why so many ancient cultures treated fire as sacred. Not because it was magical, but because it transformed what it meant to be human. The story of humanity isn't just the story of kings, empires, or inventions. It's the story of moments that changed everything, and few moments changed more than the day our ancestors stopped fearing fire and learned how to carry it into the future.